What is this GTN concept on Amazon? It's really confusing for me. This is what most Amazon sellers will say me. Hey everyone, I am Niveda Muralidharan, founder of NutriMax and Niveda E Academy. I have trained over 50,000 plus people to kickstart their e-commerce business. And in this video, I'm going to share you what is GTN and what are the terms that you have to know if you're selling on Amazon. GTIN means Global Trade Identification Number. Take any products available like Johnson Baby Soaps, Clinic Plus Shampoo, Parachute. You'll be having a barcode at the back side of the product. You can purchase barcode from GS1 website, but to sell online, all these barcodes are not at all necessary. But these types of barcodes, trademark, UPC, EAN, ISBN, all these are referred as GTIN, Global Trade Identification Number. In case if you don't have any of these number, that concept is called GTIN exemption. That is Global Trade Identification Number exemption. So you are going to say Amazon like, hey, listen Amazon, I don't have any number with me. I just have only product. Now why you require a GTIN exemption? I say people like if you want to list your product on a particular brand name, then you require GTN exemption. But many people ask me, okay, Niveda, but I don't have a brand. So why should I get GTN exemption? Listen. If you're selling online, there are two concepts. One is reselling, another is private labeling. Reselling means you are purchasing a very top brand product like Parachute, Pampers, Mammy Paco, Gillette, whatever it is so, and selling it online. It's called reselling. I purchase a branded product, I sell it online. If you're not doing it, if you're purchasing a local product and selling it online, it's called white labeling. If you're going to offline, no, there is no problem. For example, I can sell 1 kg of fortune rice or I can have a loose rice. I don't need to name that loose rice. So if I go to shop, I'll be like, okay, you give me local rice 1 kg and they would give you. They will just say like, okay, this is what you purchased last month or this came from Andhra, this came from this location. That's it, they will share. They won't represent a brand name if it is kept loose. Now, in online, it is not so. I cannot go and say it's a rice. Definitely, you have to put a brand name in online when it comes to e-commerce selling. The brand name would be the first word in most of the marketplaces like Amazon, Flipkart, and below the title, you could see the brand also. For example, Parachute Coconut Oil means Parachute is brand name. Vatika Coconut Oil, Vatika is brand name. Wow Onion Oil, Wow is brand name. So we have to definitely create a brand on Amazon. Even if you don't have any brand name, you can come up with a brand name which is unique. Unique in the sense, don't copy someone else's brand name. Come with a unique brand name and then you will be able to put the brand name on the product in the long run also. I'm not going to deep dive into trademark or how to select a brand name and all because I want to keep this topic specific to GTN exemption. Now, to list products on Amazon, etc., we require a brand name. If you're reselling, you're just going to map the product. If you're not reselling, you require brand name. And for that process, you require anything like UPCEA and ISBN. Since most of you won't have it, we are going for GTN exemption, which is called Global Trade Identification Number exemption. Now, another question before explaining the process, many people ask me is like, okay, Niveda, I want to list the product only under generic. Why do I need a GTN exemption? I don't recommend any of my students to list the product under generic. What is generic? In simple words, if you're listing your product under generic on Amazon, it means I don't have a brand name. Anyone can map my product and anyone can do anything on my product. You are creating a listing not for you, for everyone. So if you create the listing, you are not the listing owner. Anyone can map your product. Anyone can come and sell their products there also. Like they will map it and they will put their stock, they will change the pricing. They can change the title, they can change the listing. You don't hold authority of the product. Then why do you want to do it? Then it would be like you are just playing, you're not doing real business. So don't list your products under generic. To do GTN exemption, what Amazon is asking. See, before and all, it was so easy. Like we have to just select the category and select the brand name, they will give the approval. After a few days, they started doing scrutiny and they asked, okay, all site product images with your brand name printed. If any brand name is available, yes, it was going through. Then it came through 5461 error, 5665 error, etc. Again, what happened nowadays, even after submitting all the proofs with the brand name printed on it, we are facing a lot of difficulties in GTIN exemption. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to break this into smaller videos. So in the upcoming videos, I'll be sharing you what is 5461 error, how to rectify it, what is 5665 error, how to rectify it, how are we tackling this currently in our agency, in our academy. Honestly, it's very hectic process for us, but we have figured out some secrets and I'm going to share you all those secrets. But I'm going to release the secrets only on the YouTube channel if you are going to comment below as excited. Yes, feel free to comment as excited, because if I'm going to get more than 10 comments at least, I would be releasing all the secrets out on my YouTube channel. Why I'm sharing this means these secrets I discuss only with my students on my weekly Q&A happening on Thursday. But first time I'm coming and putting this as a common video on YouTube channel for everyone. And these are some of the secrets that I have worked very secretly with the internal team of Amazon. I have found out. Please don't share this video with any Amazon employee, please. So if you're really excited, please mention excited. I'll be sharing you how you can clearly solve this GTN issues. And if you're watching my channel for the first time, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. If you want to kickstart your Amazon business from the comfort of the home without office setup, prior experience and technical knowledge, I invite you from a free masterclass program where you can learn the step-by-step process of how you can kickstart your Amazon business from the place that you are watching the video. So what are you waiting for? The free masterclass link is along this video. Go please watch it. And if you want, you can book a call with our client success advisor who will help you to kickstart your Amazon business. Thank you. And don't forget to comment excited. I will be waiting for 10 comments, and if I'm going to get 10 comments, definitely I'll release all the secrets out publicly on YouTube channel. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe and turn on the bell notification of new GenMax Digital Solution.